大家好，我係 Mr. Manso， 今日會為大家講呢就 HKDSE Quadratic Function Graph 嘅 Part 4，睇睇題目啦。If -1 less than a less than 0, which of the following may represent the graph of y equal a times x plus 1 square minus 1？ 第一件事，既然知道 a 係細過0嘅話呢，咁嗰幅圖應該呢就係 open downwards 嘅，咁所以 A、B 呢 open outwards 嗰兩個都打個交叉㗎啦。第二件事呢，我哋就考慮個 vertex 啦。咁大家留意啦 vertex 裏邊呢係寫住 x 減 h 嘅 ，OK。所以呢，我哋都將我哋個原有嘅 function 呢寫翻成為呢 x 減 d 嘅態 ，OK。咁我哋就得出咗 vertex 呢就會係負一㗎啦 ，OK。咁啊，負一到底係 C 定 D 呢？咁當然就係 C 啦，因為呢負一呢就處喺 negative x axis 同埋negative y-axis 嗰個嘅位置嘅，而 D 嗰幅圖點解會錯呢？因為佢嗰個 vertex 呢就處喺呢一個 positive x-axis， 咁即係話佢嗰個 x 坐標呢係正嘅。OK， 好，多謝大家，拜拜。